Hello, and welcome to the Rightfully Sewn Atelier and YouTube channel. I'm your host, Jennifer Lapka, and I am thrilled you're with us. Together, along with special guests, we're going to explore fashion design, entrepreneurism, and domestic manufacturing. Today we're going to learn about building your social media followers. Wondrous things can happen via social media, and a perfect example is when Angela Massoni found Rachel Hayes, which is a Midwestern textile designer, using the hashtag pattern. Rachel was included in a runway show, showroom shows, and also a photo shoot with Kendall Jenner. Here with us today is Josue Montez, founder and creative director of One Dapper Latino. He has over 10,000 followers. He is a design lover, and we're thrilled to have him here today to share some tips.
Hey guys, so thanks for having me, and today I'm here to discuss everybody's favorite subject, social media. Number one is just simply be real. That really nowadays goes a long way, even in person, on one-on-one. The one thing we all have in common is we want that sense of connection, to be included. And that's a way to do it through social media. That connection is just so important. Secondly is being original. So did you know there's 1 billion users on Instagram? So can you imagine? I mean, I know that seems hard to even try to be original, but you have to. You don't want your page or your Instagram page or whatever social media outlet you're using to look just like everybody else's. A friend of mine years ago gave me some solid advice that to this day I still use. And he said, Josh, there's always going to be somebody younger, richer, and more successful than you behind you. But there's always only going to be one you. Thirdly is engagement. This one's just as crucial and as important as number one and number two. If they take the moment or even that minute to respond to a post, they're engaging with you for a reason, because they like you. It goes back to what I said earlier about feeling that connection, being included, connect. So anytime you have that response from a follower, whether you have 100 followers or you have 100,000 followers, take the time to engage with them. Those 3 points, I assure you, will help you in building such a strong social media presence, and you'll love it. So anyways, I think that's it for now, and thank you for having me, and keep it dapper.
Thank you, Josue, for being with us today and sharing your knowledge. Thank you to you, our viewers, for being with us. If you like what you see, subscribe. Also, check out our classes and our production services by clicking the links below. We'll see you next time.